June Mama June Shannon is failing miserably when it comes to repairing her relationship with her kids, and that became even more evident during the June 17th episode of Mama June, Road to Redemption. It was Alana Honey Boo Boo Thompson's 16th birthday, and even though Lauryn Pumpkin Shannon didn't invite June to the party, she showed up anyway. It was a nice idea, but June had already hurt her kids so much that they didn't care to see her. Especially Alana. Just 2 weeks ago, June ditched Alana at the airport so she could go meet up with her new boyfriend, the same one who she bought a car and apartment for. That boyfriend eventually proposed to another woman behind June's back, so it's not even like June stood her daughter up for a good guy, she stood Alana up for a cheater who used her for her money. So when it came time for Alana's party, Alana didn't want her mom anywhere near it. But June, who's already dating someone new, thought she could show up at Pumpkin's house with gifts for Alana and all would be right in the world again. And as expected, everyone freaked out upon June's arrival. Pumpkin's husband, Josh, hid in the baby's room, Alana gave June the cold shoulder, and Pumpkin kept accusing June of texting a new lover. June obviously does have a new boyfriend, but she wasn't ready to admit that to her daughters yet. She wanted to get back in her kids' good graces before telling them about her new man. Unfortunately for June, it became clear pretty quickly that her presence at the party wasn't wanted, so after she gave Alana her presents, she ordered a ride and left Pumpkin's. Then, Pumpkin surprised Alana by inviting her crush, Lauryn, to the party. And when Alana saw him walk in, she started blushing uncontrollably. They quickly hurried outside, where Lauryn gave Alana a necklace and some flowers. Then, Josh stormed in on them and told Lauryn that he better not hurt Alana. So while the party started off rocky, it ended on a high note for Alana. That is until a few days later, when producers told June that she tested positive for COVID and likely exposed her family to the virus as well. We can only imagine the girls aren't going to be too happy about this. Want more drama? New episodes of Mama June, Road to Redemption air Fridays at 9 p.m. on WeTV.